How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a most wonderful day as always. Yep, nice rainy day here. So what does that mean? Update videos. I know, we're going to discuss that. Hold on. I know, another update video, but here's the thing. You know, some people really complain that I don't do enough mod videos. But here's the thing, like I was saying. This time of year, it's fall, we should be getting our cars ready. So what products work best? Well, that's why I do these type of videos, so you know what product works best, so you won't waste your hard-earned money. Plus, number two, you have the coronavirus going on. I don't get to work a full week like I normally do. Don't even get any overtime or anything like that. I'm not complaining, I still have a job. A lot of people out there don't, so I'm more than grateful for that. But keep that in mind whenever you go to complaining. I mean, if you really want me to do a lot of mod videos, well, go to my shirt video, use that email, go to your PayPal account and gift me a buttload of money, and I'll do any mod on any car you want to see. Okay? Now with that said, I'm going to do 3 updates in one video. So here we go. I got my wife's little turtle World Wildlife Fund. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. But I wanted to come out and do this because, you know, this is coming off that storm. And I'll put the dates that each one of these was applied. But first up, since we're right here at it, this is the Tahoe. My 1997 Tahoe. I mean 2007 Tahoe, I'm sorry. And we have the Turtle Wax Seal and Shine. This is the new improved formula. And it hasn't been on that long, so you know, I'm expecting good things out of it being on there a short time. And that's exactly what we have. As you can see, it's running off really nice. The water gets on there and it does not want to stay. But again, this has not been on there that long, but it is doing a great job. So far, I'm liking that product pretty good. Next up is the red Camaro. And I have the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax on it. And as you can see, it's heating up really nice too. And that's been on there, I don't know, a month and a half, maybe 2. Like I said, I'll put all the dates in so you know when they were applied. And then I know this is the one that's been on the longest. This is the Lithium Auto Care Ceramic Slam. It's been on like 5.5, almost 6 months. As you can see, it's still beating very nicely. Still doing its job. Still looking really good. I have been really amazed at how well this product's lasting. I mean, from a spray product, 6 months. Now look at that water just running off there. And that's why I come out during the shower so I can show you, rather than waiting until after the rain passed. Anybody can show you beating, but the water running off is a true sign that the product is working. The water just does not want to stay on there. So there you go. There's a really quick update. 3 products, 1 video. They're all doing a great job. I'll put the dates in there. So far, like I said, this has been on the longest. Then the red car, then the Tahoe. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.